Hello everyone. I am going to discuss the Roderick formula for Laguerre polynomial, which is lnx equal to e power x over n factorial, nth derivative with respect to x of x power n e power minus x. To start with, we are considering the right hand side. Right hand side is e power x over n factorial nth derivative with respect to x of x power n e power minus x. Now the nth derivative of this term can be written as e power x over n factorial. Nth derivative of x power n e power minus x can be written as x power n minus 1 power n e power minus x. This term is as it is, and nth derivative of e power minus x, which is this. Next is n x power n minus 1 derivative of x power n, first derivative of x power n, and minus 1 power n minus 1 e power minus x together with nc1, which is n. nc1, the value for nc1 is n. Next, nc2, n minus 1 by 2. Then double derivative of n x power n is n minus 1 x power n minus 2 minus 1 power n minus 2 e power minus x, and so on. Last term, which is the nth derivative of x power n is n factorial and e power x as it is. By Leibniz theorem, we have calculated the nth derivative of x power n e power minus x by using formula for Leibniz theorem. This is equal to e power x over n factorial. Now, in each term we have e power minus x, so we can take it out as e power minus x, and the remaining terms are minus 1 power n x power n, then minus 1 power n minus 1, here we have n square x power n minus 1 up to n factorial. This value we can write it as e power x n factorial e power minus x minus 1 power n x power n minus 1 power n minus 1, and this number is n factorial over n minus 1 factorial. We have changed n to this value after multiplying with n minus 1, multiplying and dividing with n minus 1 factorial, and we have combined the n minus 1 factorial in numerator with n, so it will become n factorial and up to n factorial. This is equal to e power x and e power minus x, e power 0, which is 1, minus 1 power n x power n over n factorial plus minus 1 power n minus 1, n factorial cancelled with n factorial, so we have left with n minus 1 factorial x power n minus 1 up to n factorial over n factorial. We can write this n factorial as minus 1 power n x power n n factorial over n factorial whole square. And here minus 1 power n minus 1, n factorial over n minus 1 factorial whole square. Again, after multiplying with n minus 1 factorial, multiplying and dividing, the term in numerator combines with n and become n factorial. And here we can write 1 factorial x power n minus 1 up to n factorial over n factorial. And when we write it in some series form, summation r equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r n factorial r factorial square n minus r factorial x power r, and this is value for ln x. So the formula, Roderick formula for ln x is e power x over n factorial nth derivative with respect to x of x power n e power minus x. And when we have to find the values for different functions, then we put first value n equal to 0, then this will become L0x as e power x over 0 factorial, 0th derivative with respect to x of x power 0 e power minus x, and this value is e power x and e power minus x combines to give 1. Similarly, when we put n equal to 1, then the function L1x can be written as e power x 1 factorial first derivative with respect to x of x e power x. And this derivative term we can write it as e power x. Derivative of x e power minus x is x as it is minus e power minus x plus 1 e power minus x, and when e power x combines with these term, we get minus x plus 1, which is 1 minus x. This is formula for L1x. Similarly, when we put L equal to 2, 3 and so on, we get the value for L2x, L3x and so on. Thank you.